How to sell your USDT on Trust Wallet in 2025. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps in a simple way. So, let's get started. First, open your Trust Wallet app. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. Once you're in, look for the USDT token in your wallet. Tap on it to open the USDT page. Now, you'll see options like Send, Receive, and maybe Swap. Since we want to sell USDT, we'll need to send it to a crypto exchange that allows you to convert it into regular money, like dollars or rupees. So, open your exchange app, like Binance or Coinbase. If you don't have one, you can download and create an account on one of these platforms. After logging in, go to the Deposit section and choose USDT. The app will show you a wallet address. This is where you'll send your USDT. Go back to Trust Wallet, tap on Send, and paste the wallet address you copied from the exchange. Make sure the network matches. For example, if your USDT is on the Ethereum network, select Ethereum. Enter the amount you want to send and confirm the transaction. After a few minutes, your USDT will appear in your exchange account. Now, you can sell it for your local currency and withdraw it to your bank account. And that's it. That's how you can sell your USDT on Trust Wallet in 2025.